guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Mother's Day for all the mothers. I had got up this morning and I had told the boys, I was like, today is Mother's Day, I was supposed to say Happy Mother's Day, and they was like, Happy Mother's Day, mommy. So I will be inserting a clip from the other day. The boys was telling me why they love me. It's dark because I didn't have no light on. It was just a random because I had put it on my Facebook. I do want to say also, shout out to all my new subscribers. I'm at 50 now, y'all. Need 50 more to 100. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. I told you I'm almost there. Well, today I'm going to be doing a clean with me, my refrigerator. Y'all can come for me on this video. I don't know if y'all can hear that loud noise. I don't know what's wrong with it. It's a brand new refrigerator. That's why I said y'all can come for me, because it's no way this refrigerator supposed to be looking like this, and it was brand new when I moved in. I want all the smoke. Okay, so let's get this video started.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others. A cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning. A new kind of.
First, I'm gonna start by cleaning everything about the refrigerator. It's gonna determine what's old. Well, I already know what's old, what's got to go. But guys, I keep my cheese wrapped up in this. I know I need to get plastic bags or something different than this, but it keeps the cheese good because this is not the cheese in the package. This is actually the good cheese. So yeah, I know it don't come in plastic. So I'm not gonna touch my freezer because it's like it's just that and stuff. Other than that, it ain't really dirty like the refrigerator. What do y'all love about mommy?
You cook food and take us a bath and give us a juice. And give us some pizza and food and McDonald's and some food.
What else?
Spaghetti.
I cook y'all spaghetti.
We already don't have spaghetti here. And get us
What else y'all love about mommy?
on McDonald's.
Huh?
Get us on McDonald's. You give us some bananas.
Mm-hmm.
A banana. But we already run out of bananas.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, give these videos a thumbs up, and ooh, I think I messed up the lighting, you guys. Let's get that on in this kitchen. So I will holler at you guys later. I hope everyone enjoyed their Sunday. Bye bye.